Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need an administrator account and either internet or a driver USB. Once verified, open Settings System Sound to confirm the No Audio Output device is installed message, then open Device Manager. You're taking direct control. Don't wait. Disable any virtual audio devices temporarily and expand sound, video, and game controllers. Make note of missing or flagged entries so you know which driver to target next. You now uninstall problematic drivers. Right-click the audio device and choose Uninstall Device. Check Delete Driver Software if present, then reboot. Once Windows restarts, run Windows Update and install detected audio drivers, or use the manufacturer's driver from USB. Make sure the Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder services are set to automatic and restart them. This restores the audio stack. If drivers reinstall, but no device appears, repeat uninstall with driver deletion to force a clean install. Finish by setting the default output. Go to Sound Settings and pick the newly installed device, then play a test sound to confirm function. If audio fails, try driver rollback or use system restore to the point before the issue. This reverses problematic updates. If still unresolved, plug in a USB audio adapter or HDMI output to isolate hardware faults. One key tip: check BIOS/UEFI audio is enabled. If it's disabled, devices won't appear regardless of drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.